Today we talk about how can you enable use proxy server on your Fiber app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just go down here, click on more down here, and just click here on more. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on general, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list and you will find here use proxy server. Just click on it. You click on this sign here. So like you see here, use proxy server enable with us now. Click on this sign. Then you click here on OK. So here add your server and port and username and password. Use it. Click on here this sign and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.